The polynomial a, b are integer factor of this. So we have the x equal to 2. So we know that p2 equal to 0. So we have the 2 power 3 is 8, 48 plus 4a plus 2b plus 2 equal to 0, or divide by 2. Then 24 plus 2a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. So we have the 2a plus b plus 25 equal to 0. So we have the P1 equal to negative 2 P0. So P1 is 6 plus A plus B plus 2 equal to negative 2 times 2. Okay, so we have the A plus B. This one is 8 and then plus 4, then plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we use the equation 1 minus equation 2, then we have a plus 13 equal to 0, a equal to negative 13. Okay, so sub a equal to negative 13 into equation 2. Then the uh, we will have negative 13 plus b plus 12 equal to 0. So b equal to 1. Okay, then. So a is negative 13, b is 1. And then the x equal to 2, x minus 2 is the root. Okay, x minus 2 is the root minus 13 plus x. So the x minus 2 is the root. Okay. So number 1, find the remainder of px. So this equal to 0, x equal to half. So we want to find the p half. So it will be 6 half cubed minus 13 half square plus half plus 2. So 3 over 4 minus 13 over 4 plus half plus 2. So it's negative 10 over 4 is negative 5 over 2, then it's 0. So, oh, this is a root also. Therefore, we know that the 6x cubed minus 13x squared plus x plus 2 equal to the x minus 2 times the 2x minus 1 times the px plus q. So I will let it px plus q. So px plus q. So when x equal to 0, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 equal to negative 2 times negative 1 times q. Okay, so we have the q equal to 2. Okay, so q become 2. Then now we try with 1. So when x equal to 1, okay, so when x equal to 1, then we have the 6 minus 13 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 1 minus 2, negative 1, 2 minus 1, 1, and then we have the p plus 2. Okay, so this one is 9, negative 4. So negative 4 is the negative of p plus 2. So we have the p equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, so they want us to factorize this. Therefore, we will have the, make a mistake here. So this one should be 2 divided by 2, 1. Okay, so this is 1, not 2 here. Okay, so this is p plus 1. Okay, so p plus 1, 4 minus 1. 3. Okay, so this one is equal to this and then multiply with the 3x plus 1. Okay, so if we want to check answer, then we can have this polynomial degree 3, then we have the 6, negative 13, 1, and 2. Then we have the 2, half, and the negative 1 over 3. Yes, all right. So actually we can do it another way that we do the long division. Okay, so this one we do the long division by the uh, x minus 2. Okay, so I just uh, divide by the x minus 2. Then we have the 6x squared, 6x cubed minus 12x squared. Then we have the negative x squared plus x minus x squared minus 2 plus 2x. Then we have the negative x plus 2 minus 1 minus x plus 2. So this one will be the x minus 2 times the 6x squared minus 1 minus 1. Then we have the x minus 2, and this one we have the 2x, 3x, 1, 1 minus plus. So we have the same answer as well. Okay. Question number 2. Px equal to ax cubed plus 3x squared plus bx minus 12 have a factor of this equal to 0, x equal to negative half. So p negative half equal to 0, equal to 0, x equal to 3. So p3 equal to 105. This is the remainder. So negative half to the power of 3 is negative 1 over 8a, and then plus 3 over 4 minus half b, and minus 12 equal to 0. So all multiply with 8. So negative a plus, so multiply with 8, multiply with 8, multiply with 8. Then this one cancel, 2, 4. So we have the 6 and then minus 4b minus 96 equal to 0. 12 times 8, 96, yes. So we have the negative a minus 4b minus 90 equal to 0. Okay, so a plus 4b plus 90 equal to 0 is the first equation. So P3 equal to 105. So we substitute with 3 to the power of 3 is 27a. And then 27 plus 3b minus 12 equal to 0. All divided by 3. 9a plus 9 plus b minus 4 equal to 0. So 9a plus b plus 5 equal to 0 is the equation number 2. So we use the equation 2 minus the equation 1. Then no, cannot. Yeah. So the equation 1 is actually a equal to negative 4b minus 90. So sub 1 into 2. So we have the 9 negative 4b 9 minus 90 plus b plus 5 equal to 0. Negative 36b, and then minus 810 plus b plus 5 equal to 0. So we have the 35b equal to negative 805. Okay, so for this one, so 805 divided by 35 then is negative 23. Okay, so it's negative 23. I make a mistake here. This is 105. Okay, so 105 uh, divided by 3, then is 35. Okay, so this will be 35 and then 35. So 35 plus 4, 39, and then 30. Yeah, okay. So equal to 30. So negative 36b minus 810 plus b equal to 30. So negative 35b equal to 840. B is 840 divided by negative 35. Then it's negative 24. So sub the b is negative 30, 24 into equation 1. A is negative 4 times negative 24 minus 90. So 4 times 24 minus 90, then is 6. So we have the A is 6, B is negative 24. B, using your value of A, B, write Px as the product of 2x plus 1 and a quadratic factor. So this one, 2x plus 1 is the factor. Okay, so the A is 6 and then minus 24. Okay, so we do the long division here. Okay, long division. Then we have the 6x cubed plus 3x squared minus 24x minus 12. Okay, then we have the 2x plus 1, 3x squared, 6x cubed plus 3x squared. No. Okay, negative 24x minus 12. And then minus 12, then it's minus the 24x minus 12. So the px is equal to the 2x plus 1 multiplied with 3x squared minus 12. So the equal to 0. Then we will have this one equal to 0. And then we can do the factorization. 2x plus 1, 3, x squared minus 4. Then we have the 3, 2x plus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2. So x equal to negative half, x equal to negative 2, and x equal to 2. Okay. Mm, Done. Uh, Question number 3, Px equal to 6x cubed plus ax squared plus 12x plus b. A, b are integer. Remainder of 11 by when divided by 3. So x equal to 3. So we have the P of 3 equal to 11. Negative. So x equal to negative 1. So we have the P is negative 11. Negative 1 equal to negative 21. Okay, so find Qx. So P3 equal to 11, so 3 cube. So 3 power 3 times 6, okay, will be the 162 plus 9a plus 36 plus b equal to 11. So 9a plus b, and then 162 plus 36 minus 11, then we have the 187 equal to 0. Okay. And then the next one, p negative 1 equal to negative 21. So negative 6 plus a minus 12 plus b equal to negative 21. So we have the a plus b, and then 21 minus 6 minus 12, then is plus 4 equals 0. Yes. Okay. So we have the equation 1 and equation 2. So use equation 1 minus the equation 2, then we have the 8a plus 183 equal to 0. This one, wait, this one will be 21, 21. So this is 3, not 4 or 3. So 184, 184. So we have the uh, 8a equal to negative 184. A is the 184 divided by 8, 23, negative 23. So sub a equal to negative 23 into equation 2, plus b plus 3 equal to 0. So b equal to 20. Okay. Yes. So a is negative 23, b is 20. So x minus 2 is the root. Okay. So uh, x minus 2 is the root. So negative 23, then plus 20. So x minus 2 is the root. Then x minus 2. So we do the long division. X minus 2. So 6x cubed minus 23x squared plus 12x plus 20. Then we have the x minus 2. Yeah. Okay. So we have the 3x squared and 6x cubed minus 6. No, 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 no. This should be 6x squared, 6x cubed minus 12x squared. So we have the negative 11x squared plus 12x. So minus 11x. Then we have the negative 10x minus 10. Then is negative 10x plus 20. So px is x minus 2 multiplied with the 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so the qx is the 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. Hence, we want to solve px equal to 0. So we will have this equal to 0. Then we do the factorization. So x minus 2, then we have the 2x, 3x, 2 times 5. So 5, 2 minus 15 plus. So we have the x equal to 2, x equal to 5 over 2, and x equal to negative 2 over 3. Okay. So 2, 5 over 2, negative 2 over 3. So we can check answer here. So we have the 6x power 3, and then minus 23x squared plus 12x plus 20. So we substitute with the just now this one we have the 2, then it's 0, and we have the 2.5, 502 is 2.5, also 0, and then negative 2 over 3, also 0, and then negative 1, then it will give us negative 21, negative 1, then it will be negative 21, and when it is 3, then we have the 11. Yes, correct. Mm. The three roots of px equal to 0 are 1 over 2 n and negative n. A, B, C are integer. Y-intercept is 4. Okay, y-intercept when x equal to 0, then it is 4. So we know that p0 equal to 4. Okay, x equal to 0. Okay, then we have the c equal to 4. So this is 4. And then we will have the 2x cubed. So we know that the p of half equal to 0. Then half, 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 no. Then we have the uh, this one. So we know that the 2x equal to half, x equal to n, and then we have the x equal to negative n. Okay, so from here we know that the 2x equal to 1, 2x minus 1 is the root, x minus n is the root, x plus n is the root. Okay, so this we will have the 2x minus 1, x plus n, x minus n is equal to the 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx, and then plus 4. Okay, so uh, when x equal to 0, okay, or we can have the 2x minus 1, x squared minus n squared is equal to this. Okay, so when x equal to half, okay, x equal to half, then this part equal to 0. So this is 0, then we have the 0 equal to 1 over 4 plus a over 4 plus b over 2 plus 4. So we have the 0 equal to 1 plus a plus 2b plus 16. No, yeah, times 4. So all multiplied by 4. So cancel, cancel, then 2b plus 16. So we have the a plus 2b plus 17 equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, then we have the negative 1, negative n square, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then we have 4. So n square equal to 4. So n equal to plus minus square root 4, which is plus minus 2. Okay, so same now, because we have the n equal to 2, then negative 2. So there's no difference. Then I will just let n equal to 2 only lah. Okay, so n equal to 2. Okay. Next we can have the uh maybe I substitute x equal to 1. So I sub x equal to 1. Then we have 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 square. Okay, 1 minus 4, then is negative 3, is 2 plus a plus b plus 4. Okay, so we have the a plus b. Okay, a plus b, and then plus 6 plus this plus 9 equal to 0. So equation 1, equation 2. So equation 2, equation 1 minus the equation 2. Then we have the b plus 8 equal to 0. So b is negative 8. And then we sub b equal to negative 8 into equation 2. So a minus 8 plus 9 equal to 0. A is negative 1. Okay. So, yeah, the px is therefore px equal to this minus x square and then minus 8b. Okay. Hmm. So this is the answer. Px. So I have the 2x power 3 and then minus x squared minus 8x plus 4. When we have the half here is 0, 2 here 0, negative 2 here also, negative 2 here also 0. And then when we have the 0, then we have 4. Yes, correct. Yes.